In this video, you'll find out how to replace the Choc dispensing hose on your WMF 1100S. Switch the machine off. Pull out the cover of the coffee spout and remove the milk foamer. Remove the blue aperture and pull carefully outwards until you can access the Choc dispensing hose. You can now detach the hose from the mixer bowl. Then pull the hose out of the retaining catch on the spout. The new Choc dispensing hose can now be guided from the side of the mixer bowl out through the opening. The end of the Choc dispensing hose is then guided into the hole provided on the spout until it latches. Now also attach the hose to the mixer bowl. Check that the mixer bowl is in the correct position. Close the machine door. Hook the aperture in on the right and press the left-hand side of the aperture back until it clicks into place. To avoid pinching, make sure that you guide the milk hose backwards at the same time. Next, reposition the milk foamer and reattach the covers with the coffee spout. Your WMF 1100S is now ready for use once more.